Hello friends, I am Professor Sushant Mohite, working as a head of electrical department from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we start the operation of motor in start mode increases the efficiency of motor at light loads. Or another question, why we use star delta starter to start the three-phase induction motor. In a three-phase slip ring induction motor, the stator winding can be connected in star or in delta depending on mechanical load appearing on shaft of motor. It is practically observed that induction motor will operate at low power factor when load on motor is less. Hence, due to efficiency of operation drastically decreases at light loads. Hence, to improve the performance at light loads, that is below 40% of loading, the stator is connected in star mode. This result into the following benefits. The voltage applied to motor terminal is 1/3 times of rated voltage. Hence, the torque production is free from jerk. The current drawn by motor is less in star mode and hence the subsequent losses. At light load, the efficiency of motor increases since it operates at higher power factor. By using soft starter, the operation of the motor is decided based on the loading condition. When motor load is less or equal to 40%, the motor is operated in star mode. Similarly, if the motor load exceeds up to 110 means 110%, motor is operated in delta mode. Also, another answer of this question, star delta starter is an electrical motor starting device generally used in big size motor, means for more than 3 HP motor, 3 to 5 HP, more than 3 to 5 HP motor, we use the star delta starter, generally used in big size motor to overcome high motor current during starting. Star delta means here two separate states of motor running, first start connection and then delta connection. The starting current of any heavy electric motor can be more than 4 times of the normal load current it draws when it has gained speed and has reached its normal running conditions. To overcome this initial high current in hunting problem, such arrangement needs star connection at starting time, and if star connection has sufficient torque to run up to 75% to 80% of full load speed, then the motor can be connected in delta mode. When the motor connection to delta configuration, the phase voltage increase by 173% and phase current increases by the same ratio. The line current increases 3 times its value in star connection. Then what problem starting motor without star delta? We already know if the motor start simply when connected in delta, the starting current would be used and just to be able to start the motor, not to running condition. Then what to do this? It would require large capacity circuit breakers to allow the startup surge current to pass without immediately shutting the motor off. Oversized three-phase power service cable required just for starting time, but normal running time not necessary. Large size of coils and contacts on the relays or contactors need to control the motor, but normal running conditions this smaller size we need smaller size of them. Sometimes utility company also not permits big motor starting without star delta starter because of system instability due to switching transients. Then what important during star delta transition period? It is important that the break between star contactor between off and delta contactor switch is on because star contactor must be reliably quenched before delta contactor is activated. During transition period of switchover, the motor must be free running with little deceleration. It is also important that the switchover pause is not too long. It may generate a voltage of its own and this may add to or subtract from the applied line voltage. Then what is star delta starter? The star delta starter is a very common type of starter and used extensively as compared to the other type of starting methods of the induction motor. A star delta is used for a cage motor designed to run normally on the delta connected stator winding. The connection of the three-phase induction motor with star delta starter is shown in the practical of industrial AC machine, subject of industrial AC machine. What is the working of the star delta starter? When the switch is in the start position, the stator winding are connected in the star. When the motor picks up the speed about 80% of its rated speed, the switch is immediately put into the run position. As a result, a stator winding which was in the star connection is changed into delta connection. The stator winding is connected in star and then delta so that the starting line current of the motor is reduced to 1/3 as compared to the starting current with the winding connected in delta. At the starting of an induction motor, when the winding of the stator are star connected, each stator phase get a voltage VL upon root 3 means line voltage divided by root 3. Here VL is the line voltage. Since the developed torque is proportional to the square of the voltage applied to an induction motor. Star delta starter reduces the starting torque to 1/3 that is obtained by direct delta starting. That's why at the time of operation, maximum industry use the star delta starter or the motor is operated in star mode. Next, the methods of energy conservation by electric motor rewinding and mechanical transfer. Efficiency of motor can be increased by rewinding the motor with new technology, material and design. The wire selected for motor winding must have high conductivity, large cross-sectional area by reducing the overhang. By using insulating material of high dielectric strength with low dielectric loss, make rewinding of machine for lesser poles seen for higher speed and good power factor. It is common practice in industry to rewind burnout motors. The population of rewind motor is some industries exceed 50% of the total population. Careful rewinding can sometimes maintain motor efficiency at previous level, but in most cases losses in efficiency results. Rewinding can affect a number of factors that contribute a deteriorated motor efficiency. Winding and slot design, winding material, insulation performance and operating temperature. For example, a common problem occurs when heat is applied to strip old windings. The insulation between laminations can be damaged, thereby increasing eddy current losses. A change in the air gap may affect power factor and output torque. However, if proper measures are taken, motor efficiency can be maintained and in some cases increased after rewinding. Efficiency can be improved by changing the winding design through the power factor could be affected in the process. Using wires of greater cross section, slot size permitting would reduce stator losses, thereby increasing efficiency. However, it is generally recommended that the original design of the motor be preserved during the rewind unless there are specific load related reasons for redesign. The impact of rewinding on motor efficiency and power factor can be easily assessed if the no load losses of a motor are known before and after rewinding. Maintaining documentation of no load losses and no load speed from the time of purchase of each motor can facilitate assessing this impact. For example, comparison of no load current and stator resistance per phase of a rewound motor with the original no load current and the stator resistance at the same voltage can be one of the indicator to assess the efficiency of rewinding.